Coming up on Kylee Makes It. Solar system, finger puppets.
Hello, I am Mercury. I come in peace.
Hi friend, it's me, Kylee. I am so excited that you're here today because I made something awesome I want to show you. I made solar system finger puppets. Here's the sun and Mercury, who's one of my favorites because he just looks so fun. And Mars. You gotta see Saturn. You got to. Yeah, Saturn. I have them all. Do you want to see a puppet show? Okay, a puppet show is where you use puppets to act out a story. So I'm going to act out a story for you with these puppets called, The Day the Sun Played Games with the Planets. You excited? I am. Let's do it.
Oh, hi. My name's Sun, and I have a very important job today. It's my job to make sure that all the planets stay out of trouble and entertained. I'm gonna do that by playing games with them. Will you help me? You will? Yes. Okay, here comes the first planet. Oh, hi, Sun. Oh, hi, Mercury. Meet my friend. Hello. Anyway, Sun, I just came to tell you that some of the planets are getting bored. Maybe you could come up with something for us to do? Yeah, sure. Bring some of them in here. Okay. What game do you have for us to play today, Sun? Oh, hi, this is Earth, Uranus, and Mercury. I think that today we could all play a game called, charades. Have you ever played charades before? Basically, you act out something, like maybe you would act out that you were a dog, and so you would go, ruff, 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 or you would like scratch behind your ear, but I mean, I don't have an ear. Or you would wag your body like you were wagging your tail, except I don't really have a body either. Oh goodness, maybe charades isn't that good of an idea. Okay, let's play, tag. You wanna play tag? Yeah, tag! Okay. You'll never catch me, Venus. I'm Jupiter, a fast tag. Oh, you got me. This is getting a little out of hand. I have a new idea. Okay. What? Have you guys ever played, hide and seek? Yes, I have. Can I hide first? All right. How about you all hide, and then me and my friend will find you. Sound good? Yay! Okay, all right. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we come! Do you want to help the sun find the planets with me? Sun, would that work well for you? Awesome. Hey, while the sun and you and I are looking for the planets, I'm gonna also show you how to make these planet finger puppets for yourself. Would you love that? I would love it too. To the studio!
Welcome to the studio. I'm all set to make our solar system finger puppets. Don't forget to look for them while we're crafting because they're still playing hide and seek. The first thing I'm gonna do is tell you what you need. You need some craft foam, pipe cleaners, scissors. Googly eyes are a nice bonus. Paint pens or Sharpies really help too, and I'm gonna stick mine together with some hot glue. You knew it was gonna make an appearance. All right, let's get crafting. I'm gonna start with the planet Mercury. I'm using gray foam for this. And the first thing I'm gonna do is to trace a circle. I'm gonna use the bottom of this paint container and a Sharpie to do that. Now, cut it out. Now, because I cut two pieces at once, I have two identical gray circles. What? I see you over there. Now I'm going to take a pipe cleaner. I choose white, you can choose whatever color you want, and wrap it around my finger. This is what's gonna hold it in place, like this. What's nice about using pipe cleaners for this is you can change it. So if you're playing and maybe your hands are littler, but then you decide to play with someone with bigger hands, they can just rewrap it and it'll fit around their hand too. Cool. So I made an extra little curl at the end of my pipe cleaner, and then I'm gonna use hot glue to attach it to the bottom of my foam. Now I'm just gonna use some little puddles of hot glue all around. Boop, 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 like that, and attach my back. Oh, perfect. I'm gonna finish these steps for all of the planets, and then we'll decorate their little faces. Hey! I see you. All right, they're all ready to decorate. Here's the sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Awesome. So I'm gonna start decorating these by adding some details to the surface, the background of the planet puppet. So for Mercury, for example, because Mercury doesn't have any atmosphere, that means that anything that's flying from outer space, an asteroid, whatever, when it hits Mercury, it causes a big explosion. Oh, Mercury, it's okay, you're okay. I'll catch up with them later. And makes a crater in Mercury. So there's lots of little craters and holes on Mercury. So we're going to just use some Sharpies, some paint markers, and add some of those little details. I'm using black foam for the mouths of my planets and googly eyes for their eyes. There we go. Mercury. Now you know how to make your very own solar system finger puppets. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Cool. Did you find some of the planets while they were playing hide and seek while we were crafting? I did too. Let's go back to the purple chair for one more puppet show. We did it. We really did it. We kept these planets entertained for a whole day. I can't believe it. We tried playing charades, but that didn't really work. So we tried to play tag, but that got a little out of hand. So we played hide and seek. And you learned how to make these incredible, if I may say so myself, finger puppets of the whole solar system. If you want to make more art with Kylee, just search for Kylee. That's me. Well, her. All right. See you next time. I hope your day is out of this world.
Hi, it's me again, Mercury. I've traveled far into the outer limits of space, and I've discovered something amazing. Alien life. This is the alien I'm talking about. He looks hairy. He looks brown. He looks strangely like a breakfast food I saw on Earth one time. I shall name it Hash Brownchen. I'm getting in closer. Hello. I am Mercury. I come in peace. He looks so soft.